Hello folks, thanks for visiting Active Automotive and looking at our BMW 520d SE. It's just a two-owner car with loads of service history, with the last service just 3,000 miles ago. So this one's good to go for some time yet before a service. We've got 2 keys. It comes with an RAC National Parts and Labour warranty and a free 12-month breakdown recovery voucher. So here you have it. I'll try and show you around it as best I can. Any queries, obviously pick up the phone. We're only too glad to help. So looking inside, this has a great contrast. Hopefully the camera will do it justice. Yeah, here we go. So as you can see, the quality of the leather and the seats is still perfect. I'll try and show you around. There you go. And then moving round, you can see there's no scratches, no chips, no marks in the dashboard or anything. And likewise with the door cards. So move round onto the rear. These seats don't really look as though they've been used. I'm sure I'll put my children in the back of here. You could tell they'd been here. And then moving around there, back to the seats again, all in very, very good condition. And likewise there. So the boot on these is quite cavernous. As you can see, hopefully that's it. Yeah, it's giving you a fairly good overview, hopefully. And then the little bit of toolkit is all tucked up there under the boot lid. So moving round, let's show you this side. Again, as you can see, superb condition. There, no marks, no scratches. Take my word for it, no funny smells. Pretty much the standard here with the electric windows and the door card and the electric mirrors here, as you can see, with electric folding as well. Then moving in to the business end, multi-function steering wheel, and then this one also has navigation, and that's all operated by this button here. So basically in front here, radio, obviously CD, various menus, the Bluetooth, and then the navigation. And then it's all controlled just by twisting or pushing on here to then go through the various, well, what you want it to do. Then you split dual zone climate control, so driver's side and passenger side can be dealt with separately. And this one, the all important heated seats, considering we've got leather. And that is our lovely 520d SE, full history, low number of owners, only 2, spare key. Be quick, this one won't be here for long, but please remember you can't just turn up. Because of the current guidelines, you have to do the majority of the work beforehand over the phone or via email. Thanks a lot for looking.